Students. Now, as we all know that very soon our first periodic tests are going to start. Now, I am going to explain how we will be answering those tests. Now, the only thing that you will get is a link where you can access your examination paper. This link can be on email or it can be on a WhatsApp group also. As soon as you click this, you will get your question paper right in front of you. Please make it sure that the time duration will be 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, you won't be able to submit your answers. The maximum marks is 40. Now, how to start this answering the question paper? The first thing is that you will write your email address. Let me enter here. SI. Next is the name of the student, class and section we can choose from here. Let's say I am in class 12th A. Now there are few general instructions which will say that section A contains 6 multiple choice questions of 0.5 marks each, section B, section C, section D and section E. Once you go through this, once you have read this, click next. Now here we have our first section which is MCQ and we have to tick the correct answer. I have written here in Hindi, which will also suggest that Hindi question papers will also be there with you. Let us answer all the questions. We have question number 2. Let us say the answer is A. Question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6. Once you are done with this section A, click next. We will have now as section B, which will be fill in the blanks. Now, what is the capital of India? I am answering it out, New Delhi. Let us say for question 8 you are answering something, question 9 you are answering something, question 10 you are answering, 12, 9, 10, 11. Next. Now this section is also completed. Section C, we have the one word answers or the very short answers. Again we will answer here. 12 is answered, 13 is answered, 14 is answered, 15. Just read it and just keep on writing the answers. Anything, any answer. 6. Now let us say you don't know this answer. It's okay, you can skip. Next. Section D is the short answers. The short answers, again, it can be a line or it can be maximum of 2 or 3 lines. So what we can do is, let's have a sample. Let us say there is some question written here. I am answering is, my name is. In this manner, you can write some short answers or short lines. In Hindi, we have to type in Hindi. Sorry, in our Hindi exam, we have to type in English, which will be the Hindi version of it. Similarly, we can answer anything here. Here, let us say I don't know all these questions. Next. Next comes the long answer part. Some question number 30 will be there. Now you have to add file for all subjects. These two questions will be the long answer ones which you have to write on a copy. Once you write it on a copy, you have to save it on your desktop or on your laptop by taking the photographs. And if you are using the phone, it's very easy. You can directly click the pictures and upload the file. Now, how to upload the file? Let us say I have written a question. I have written the answer for this question number 30. Add file. Now, this is my answer 30. Let us say, because I have already saved it on my laptop, what I will do is I will just take and drag it here. Upload. It is uploading. Yes, it is done. Answer 30. Answer 31 in the same manner. If you don't know it, it's fine. Submit. Once submitted, you will get that you have submitted your paper successfully. That's it for your examination of one subject. Thank you.